Assalamualaikum dear gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel MK Construction. As in this playlist I will be giving you a detailed explanation step by step on how to calculate a complete building quantity and as well as its estimation. In the previous two lectures we have detailedly I have given you about calculation of this excavation quantity, how to calculate this excavation for foundation. And in the next lecture, I have told you about the sand filling quantity and how to calculate this sand filling after excavation. So now in this lecture, I will be telling you how to calculate formwork for this PCC for foundation, this footing. This formwork we will be calculating this formwork, how much meter square of this formwork will be used, and after that I will also be telling you about how to calculate this PCC footing lean concrete. Okay, let's move to the drawing. So here you see the footings have been mentioned as F1, F2 and F3. There are 4 footings and their dimensions are given in this column. For F1 the length is 2550 mm, breadth and depth is 100 mm, as well as F2 and F3 and F2 star. So let's move to the Excel sheet. Let's make another copy of this file. After this file, okay, let's rename it as formwork of PCC for foundation. File has been created. Let's rename it again here as well. Here are calculating formwork for of PCC plain cement concrete for foundation, and you can also name it for footing. So here we mention description about footing, about F1. So for F1 we will calculate how much is length, breadth and then depth. Basically this formwork will be in meter square. Okay, so let's I will show you in the drawing. Okay, this is the foundation layout plan. You see here we have we basically have to calculate this. See this F1, F3, F2. We have to see how many F1 are in this plan. On the basis of that, then we will calculate this parameter. Then we will multiply this parameter with total depth. Then we will get how much quantity of formwork. Similarly, that lean concrete quantity, we will be calculating it in meter cube. I will show you in this diagram. You see this diagram here. We are basically have to calculate this. Let me show you in more detail. This, have you seen this? This is the formwork. This all is a formwork of PCC. See this how much depth? This is 100 mm depth, and this lengths are different. So we have to calculate this, how much of this meter square of formwork is required in F1. Similarly for F2 footing, different F2, F3, and as many as footings there will be different of this quantity. Further I will have also be telling you in the upcoming videos. You see this this before after excavation. Basically the next step is we have to place these coordinates. These coordinates are being placed according to the drawing. These coordinates, we have to place these coordinates, then the surveyor will mark these levels, and after that levels they will have to place this formwork. In the upcoming videos I will be telling you what's the next step and how to place these coordinates and these levels. I will be telling you in detail, but till in now this video I will be telling you this just quantities of this formwork. See this formwork. Further you see this formwork. You see what this polythene sheet is basically placed after we this before the lean we place this. And the upcoming videos I will also be telling you why this polythene sheet will be used, why we place it here before the lean, uh, and further move towards the videos. You see this is all formwork. This is all formwork. Compactor. Compactor basically is we have to compact the soil before lean, so there will not be any settlement after lean or foundation is laid. Okay, let's move to the diagram. So here is our drawing. We have to first calculate F1 footing formwork quantity. So how many of F1 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 number of F1. Let me write it down here. F1 is 7. How much is length? Basically I am telling it very in a very easy way, you are saying it so very easy. You have to basically this video is for beginners, for mid-level as well, no? So everyone will have to get to know what's being done. uh, let's move to there are F1. So we will see F1 PCC dimensions. These dimensions are given in millimeter. We have to convert it into a meter. 2.5 meter is length. Let me here 2.5 meter. Okay, basically we have to take meter square, we have to take 2.5 into 2. Okay, why I am multiplying it with 2? Let me tell you. This length is 5 meter. Okay, why I have multiplied it with 2? Because I have already told you that we have to calculate this formwork in meter square. Okay, have to calculate this in meter square. So I have this is 2.5, this is 2.5, so I have multiplied with 2, so I will get these both sides. Okay, so this is 5 meter total. Okay, where is the drawing? Here is the drawing. This length is 2.5. How much is breadth? 2.4. It's 2400 in millimeter, so in meter it will be 2.4. So let me write it here 2.4, but we have to, I told you we have to take both the sides. We have to take these both sides 2.4, 2.4. So it will be how much? 4.8. 4.8. And how much is the depth here? Depth is here 100 mm. So in meter it will be 0.1 mm. 0.1 meter. Sorry, 0.1 meter. Let me write it down. 0.1 meter. So in F1 footing, 2.4 meter of formwork will be used. Let me check it. Formula is correct. I have to correct it. Formula is not correct. Basically we have to add these sides. Okay, we have to add these sides and then multiply with this. Let me correct it. This plus this side. Okay, bracket close, multiply with this. Okay, bracket close. Sorry, 6.86. Let me check it here. 4.8 plus 5. I am telling it very simple way. I have already did all these calculations before, but I am doing it again here. So you will be how much is this? Multiply 7. Okay, multiply 0.1. So it's correct. Okay, this is correct. So F1 is done here. Let's move to the F2. F2 is 1.8. 1.8 multiply by 1.85, sorry, 1.85 multiply by 2, what, 3.7. footing F2, footing F2, how much is 3.7. Okay, yeah, missed that. How many? Okay, we will calculate this number of fittings at the end. Okay, let me calculate this breadth. Where is the breadth? 2 times of breadth, because we are calculating parameter, it's 1.7 here. So let me write down 1.7. Oh, sorry, we have to multiply it with 2 to calculate both, to get the both length. 1.7 multiply 2, 3.4. So it's 3.4. Okay, depth is same. I think we have to check it again. Yes, depth here depth is 1.1. It's the same, 0.1. Okay, so what's left? This number of footings, F2 left. So here we see F2. How many of F2? F2, 1 F2. This is F2 star, 1 F2, 1 F2, and 2. There are two number of F2s. uh, Let me write it down, 2 here. Okay, got it. So what's the formula? Same formula here. uh, Same formula here now, equal to this, 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 this. Okay, bracket this plus this, oh sorry, this. Okay, bracket close, and then multiply this, bracket close. Okay, so what's the problem? I think I have done something wrong here. It's alright, it's alright. Here we have to place this. Okay, then it's now correct. Okay, so how much is correct? Okay, let's move here. The F2 is done. Next one is F3. So how much is F3? 1.5. Let's multiply by 2. How much? Let me write it down here. F3, footing F3. How many of F3 here? Let me check it. Here one, here one, two, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let me write it down here. 4. So how much is length? Here F3, 1.5 multiplied by 2, 1.5 multiplied by 2. Let be some do quick calculations. 3 here, 3 here, and point 1 here. Like same. You have to drag it here. Okay, you got it. I have drag it here. So the same formula will be applied downwards. Let's move to the serial. We give the serial number here. 3. Okay, 4. Okay. Next footing is F3 star here. F2 star. Okay, F2 star. How many of F2 star? 1, 2. So there are 2 number of F2 star footings. F2 stars. Okay, got it. 2 number of F2 stars. How much is length here? Length. See the length. 2.050 and 1.9. Let me do some quick calculations in meters. 2.050 multiplied 2, 4.1, and other one is 1.9 multiplied by 2. Okay, 4.1 and 3.8. Remember it. 4.1 and 3.8. 3 point, sorry, 8. Okay, depth is same, 0.1. This depth. Okay, so now we have calculated all the footings here of F1, F2, F3, and F4. Okay, so we have calculated these all footings. F1, F2, and F3. So how much is the total in meter square foot formwork will be required for PCC? 12.26 of meter square. Let me show you. So total this formwork required for this PCC foundation will be 12.26 meters square. So let's move to the other next. That is PCC foundation lean concrete. We have to now calculate the lean concrete. Let me show you here in the picture more clearly. You see, now we have to calculate this lean, sorry, this lean. We have to calculate this, how much quantity of this lean concrete is required. Okay, so let's move the Excel sheet here. Okay, I will make another copy after this, create a copy. Let's rename it. It's PCC for foundation. Okay, we name it PCC for foundation. Footing numbering is same, the numbers are same. So basically we have to change these things. Okay, that's simple. You just have to see the here, see this. You have to just uh, write this length, this big is breadth, and this d is depth. Let me show you more clearly the model here. Okay. Sorry, it's another picture. I move to show you where is A and where is B. You see this A? This is length in the this table. This table, this is A, and where is B? This is B. Got it? This is A and B, and here you see this is A and this is B and this is depth. So let here come to the diagram, Excel sheet. Sorry. So how much is here length? 2.55. Let's work some quick calculations. 2.55 is length. How much is breadth? 2.4. 2.4 is breadth. Depth is same. Let's correct this formula. How to calculate the quantity? Sorry, I have to convert. We have to multiply all these. Multiply this. Okay. Multiply this. Okay. Multiply this. Okay. Multiply this. Okay. Enter. Got it? Similarly, we do the same calculations for F2. Where is F2? 1.85 and 1.7. 1.85 and 1.7. Remember the values. 1.85, 1.7. Okay. F2 done. F3 1.5 and 1.5. F3 1.5 and 1.5 done. F2 star 2.05 and 1.9. 2.05 and 1.9. 2.05 and 1.9. Got it? So here we got the total quantity of lean, as I already show you in the pictures. Yes, pictures you see here. This. So how much quantity of lean is required? 6.984 meter cube. So I think I have clearly and very detailed and in a very simple and easiest way. I think there isn't any easiest way to explain this this all, how to calculate this formwork and then PCC. So let me give you some brief again. See, we have calculated this PCC. We just have to check how many of this footings. Then we have to calculate this parameter. Basically this is parameter. Okay, double of length, double of breadth is parameter. Then multiply it with this. We got the meter square of uh, meter square. Okay, this is meter square. This is meter square. Let me sorry. This is basically I have to write it as a meter square. Okay, got it, done. So this is meter square of length of this formwork. Then we calculated this quantity. After then we calculate how much PCC lean concrete is required. Okay, I have shown you in the pictures this, how much this lean concrete, this is lean concrete. Okay, how much this quantity is required. First we calculated this formwork. You see this formwork is removed, here it is placed, and then we calculate this PCC 6.984 meter cube of PCC lean concrete is required in the footings. Okay, I think that we have cleared this cover this lecture in a very detailed way. If you have further any questions and anything, you can ask in me in the comment section, and also you can just email me your questions. My email is also given in comments. You can also place your questions as you wish, and please follow my this channel, and in the upcoming videos and in upcoming playlist I will also be giving you more and more knowledge based on engineering, civil engineering. uh, so it's thank you, and see you in the next videos. Till then, take care and goodbye.